Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to access one of the more advanced features in Google Slides. In fact, it's one of the more advanced features in pretty much all Google Docs. If you go to the extensions menu, you'll see this right here, Apps Script. Apps Script is a computer programming language that connects a bunch of different Google Docs, slides, sheets, forms, and so on. And what it allows you to do is it allows you to write computer programs that give certain docs access to other docs, and you can update them and change them and do whatever programmatically instead of doing it by hand. So if you click on Apps Script, a new window will open up, and basically this is just like a programming window. Type in functions. You have to know how to get these things to work. You have a bunch of different tools to use, execution logs, debugging, that kind of things. But if you're into it and it's something that you understand how to do, you can write computer programs that allow you to take very serious control over many types of Google Docs.